Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this Dress to Impress tutorial, I'll show you the secret trick to adding face piercings to your avatar using non-VIP items only. In here, what you need to do is just go to the jewelry sections on the accessory sections in here and put on this earrings and then just use the adjustment feature. I'm going to show you two kind of piercings. The first one is on the eyebrow, so let's just click on the earring first, put it on, then here use the adjustment feature. For the first one here, for the position, make it the X51 and the Y62 and the Z, lower it into 32. Now make the scale lower to around 0.04 like this. Now we can just change the color into silver. So this is the first example, and the second one I'm going to show you how you can add the lip piercing. So let's use the adjustment feature again, and for the lip you can just change the positions X into 44, the Y42, the Z43, and the Z is 42. And for the rotate, make the X1, the Y76, and the Z4. Now for the scale, lower it all the way to 0. You can just adjust it to how you like it. If it's done feel right, you can always adjust it more by adjusting the positions like this. Now you are done. So this trick is perfect for styles like body, grunge, alt, scene, or Y2K. That's all from me. Like this video and subscribe. Also click on the thanks for more non-VIP outfit sheets. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.